Hey everyone. Today we're diving into another must-know concept in cybersecurity. AAA, Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. No, it's not roadside assistance. It's a powerful trio that forms the backbone of access control in any secure system. Whether you're logging into an app, swiping a keycard, or accessing a cloud server, AAA is working behind the scenes to keep things in check. Let's start with authentication. Imagine you're trying to enter a private club. The first thing the bouncer asks is, "Who are you?" That's authentication. In cybersecurity, authentication is the process of proving your identity. This could be something you know, like a password, something you have, like a security token or phone, or something you are, like a fingerprint or face scan. Multi-factor authentication combines these for stronger protection. If the system can't verify you, you don't get in. It's that simple. Next comes authorization. So let's say the bouncer believes you. You're in. But can you access the VIP lounge or just the regular bar? That's what authorization handles. It determines what you're allowed to do once you're authenticated. In cyber terms, it means defining what resources a user can access and what actions they're permitted to take. Maybe you can view files but not edit them, or log into a system but not install software. It's all about setting boundaries. Now on to accounting, sometimes called auditing. This is the part that keeps track of what you do once you're inside. It's like the club's surveillance system logging who danced where, who ordered what, and who left early. In cybersecurity, accounting logs user activity, what files you accessed, what commands you ran, how long you stayed logged in. These logs help with troubleshooting, compliance, and incident investigations. If something goes wrong, the accounting records can tell us exactly what happened and when. Together, AAA provides a complete access control system. Authentication verifies your identity, authorization determines your privileges, and accounting tracks your actions. It's a core concept in everything from enterprise networks and VPNs to cloud platforms and web applications. Whether you're just starting out in cybersecurity or studying for Security Plus, getting a firm grip on AAA is essential. It helps you understand how systems control access, protect sensitive data, and maintain accountability in a world full of digital threats.